Alright, first time ever rocking an AK. Ever. This is gonna be despicable.
Go!
Огонь на подавление! Враг сзади по левому флангу! Огонь! Враг! Они обходят нас с тыла! Прикройте меня!
If you've ever tried to load an AK and you flubbed the reload, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Try and aim your light more on the mud. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna get caked.
Coated, absolutely caked
coated
with shit.
Alright guys, I'm here to talk to you about the worst gun I have ever purchased. It is the WASR 10 V2 Poly by Century Arms. It's an AKM pattern rifle, General 7.62 by 3.9. I'm going to begin by saying that this thing has the ergonomics of a fucking potato. I've got big plans for it, already swapped out the grip. I got a myriad of parts that I'm about to swap out, but I just want to give you a quick and dirty of this rifle really quick. Comes with polymer furniture. Yeah, I don't know about that, don't ask.
Nice.
Polymer handguard and stock grip. Comes with a standard AK style grip. There's no heat guard inside of the handguards, so they will melt. This one is already melted. Comes with a slant, 45-degree slant brake, standard AK sights. Obviously this is stamped, being a WASR 10. The barrel is chrome lined, which is great. Takes most standard AK accessories, which is why I went with the WASR 10. It's a pretty good starter AK. It's my first AK. Comes with a cleaning rod port, standard for AKs. Didn't come with a cleaning rod. But this is basically what you get from the factory. It comes with a US Palm standard 30-round mag. Fits great. Trigger's fantastic. Which I'm not gonna lie, I was impressed with the trigger being an AK. The safety was a bit sticky. I bent it out though in order to fix that. That's not too bad anymore. Rear sights, they're not on when I got them. I still have to sight them in. But the ergonomics of this thing, this stock, there's a reason why I have a washcloth folded in half and duct taped to this. It hurts to shoot. You can't get a proper cheek weld. You can't line up the sights. It's impossible to shoot this thing as is factory. Like, this stuff is going in the trash. Other than that, it's a pretty decent rifle. Shoots great. Haven't had any issues malfunction wise. But yeah, big plans. Base rifle is disgusting. If you plan on buying one of these as a one and done, do not do it. It is strictly a kit gun that you want to build out from here. Terrible ergonomics. It is absolute garbage. Hurts the cheek, super bad to shoot. Hurts the shoulder because it's so sharp edged. In order to get a proper cheek weld, you literally have to sit your neck forward. You can't do a regular one from the far back. You have to really dig into it. But yeah, other than that, it's just an AKM. Got your rails on the side, and I'll show you guys what I do to it. Welcome back. Here is the updated rifle. Fast forward a few hours. Again, WASR 10 by Century Arms. This is the V2, was the V2 Poly. And it's been updated. So I'll give you guys a rundown. B5 Bravo stock on a Rifle Dynamics buffer tube AR stock adapter, AK to M4 stock adapter. Throw on some whatever no name brand buffer kit. Magpul AK K2 grip, if I remember correctly. A KVAS handguard, lower handguard, and Ultimac top rail with a ghetto mounted and painted WML from Inforce, WMLX. This is just the current build that I have. It'll go through many different iterations as I learn the AK platform, but I decided to jump into it because no prices, still 40 cents a round, cheapest ammo you can find. And you can still buy it in bulk pretty easy. So, there's my AK build, nothing fancy, but damn, it's a million times better than the stock furniture. It was unbearable, and this actually feels like a fighting rifle now. So, and I'll eventually get a mount for this. I'll get a different light, throw on a Surefire or something like that. So, anyways, the 69 is no longer with us.
Sorry.